Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be going over my Weebly page. I'm going to go ahead and copy this real quick and open up my incognito window. Let me go ahead. Here is my incognito window. And here is my website. So what you're going to do first is go on to the final project. I'm going to be doing the commutative property of addition for first grade. My standards is apply properties of operations as strategies to add and subtract. If 8 plus 3 and 11 is known, then 3 plus 8 equals 11 is also known, which is the commutative property. My objective, students will be able to understand or be able to use the commutative property of addition to solve addition problems. So the first thing that we're going to go over is the syllabus. Here's my syllabus. I went ahead and did all of my different grade levels, or not grade levels, all of my different subjects. So I just put it across the board because I feel like I'm actually going to use this next year. Going back on here, my online quiz, if you go on final project onto online quiz, it goes over the commutative property of addition. Everything is already embedded, and all you have to do is just write your name and the date, just so I know when you turned it in. The next thing is our lesson plan. I have a tab separate for that lesson plan. And I just did this top part, and then I added the step-by-step progression, just where they need to click throughout the whole lesson. Next is going to be the interactive screen lesson. If you go to final project, it's right here. The interactive screencast lesson. I did mine on Ed Puzzle.
Hello, first
And all
graders.
they do is they go through the video, and then once they get to that part, they can do boom, submit, and then they move on to the next question.
Miss V went fishing in the ocean and she found
My creation tool, you go under creation tool, and you're able to scroll through the actual Padlet. And then the instructional digital presentation. It's right here. That's my Prezi. My Prezi is an introduction to the commutative property of addition. And then lastly is the interactive tools. So starting with the peer deck, here's the rubric that I used. I created it on Canva. And then what they do is all they do is it says click here for the peer deck. They go onto the peer deck, tell them how you're feeling, and then you're able to join. There's little drag and drops. There are different interactive things where you can draw. Here's this one rubric for the Nearpod, same thing. You click on it. I'm in a hotel right now. There we go. All right, so you put your name and then you join the lesson and you will go through the whole
first
Nearpod video. Next is the Kahoot. Same thing, you click here. Here's the rubric. And you just put Ms. V. And then you can start your quiz. And then you go onto the word wall. Same rubric as before, just with the word wall. And it doesn't matter which game you choose, it automatically gets sent to me. So they have to do a game though, because it has to have a score. But if they want to do the quiz or they want to do the matchup, they're able to start it. 9 plus 1, 6, 3, 9, and submit answers. Now, each rubric is also going to be based either on the slides or on the questions that there are. So for the peer deck, if students don't answer all the questions, they don't get all the points. Same with the Nearpod. And then for the Kahoot and the word wall, it just depends on how well they do them. If they're able to answer all 5 questions correctly, they get 100, 0, 0%. So it just depends on what they do. But there's my final project. I also included a message for parents and for the students. And then I gave the instructions, and on the bottom, there's notes that can be made, and that all assignments will be due on Friday. Thank you.